Look at those spokes. Look at that.
2015 extra heavy duty.
Oh, move those again. Let's see them.
This one hang on to this one, so this one has something to attach to. And you just wind that one into there.
What's up, YouTube? We're out here with Gizimoto, Big Bass Manny, Anthony. I brought my little one Carter out today. Carter, say what's up, buddy. He's all ready to rip. We brought his balance bike, the 110, the 60. Manny's 85, and Gage is 110. 125, sorry. SSR 125.
Is it going? Ah, shit. Oh. Bro,
What's going on?
the entrance is weird, dude.
Dude, what's going on here?
The entrance is way different, dude.
Oh, dude, we lost the thing here. We out here, got our group going.
Hey, we got 50s and drones. What's up?
Pit bikes and drones, and then two dogs.
We got dog horn.
What just happened?
I slid out. I slid out on that side and Gage passed me. You know, we're just out here sending the little 125. Here comes Gage on the 125 in front. Daniel Ramirez behind him on the 110. Damn, that was a close call. Here comes Hehu on the little 100. Clapped out. Oh, shit. what happened to the SSR? Where at?
I don't know, but I landed. Dude, it looked like you were gonna use.
Damn, that's the engine bolt. Yeah.
Whip that shit like.
What were you not trying to do?
Send it.
What?
Send in the DMs, bro.
Look at those spokes. Look at that.
2015, extra heavy duty.
Ooh, move those again. Let's see them.
This one hang on to this one, so this one has something attached to. And you just wind that one into there.
Yeah, you got some zip ties. Most of these aren't fucking connected.
This is the new Rust 2000. Just upgraded it. It's fucking legit. Looks good.
What about that exhaust? Give us a little bit about that exhaust.
Well, I found this out in Mexico about 1998.
So what you're saying is it's a fake BBR exhaust.
Yeah, it's probably fake, but let me tell you, it makes the power. That's all that matters.
Alright, so Daniel and Uriel, they're about to race. Uriel's on the XR100R, and then Daniel's on his KLX 110L. So here they come. They got to do one joker lap and one of the far lap. So here we go. So both of them took the far lap first. They both got to do a joker lap next. So here we go. Look at them. Keep going, dude, faster.
Why?
What do you mean, why? You're on camera. This is for the Theoutdoordaniel, right? Pound the camera. Give it a fist pump. No? Yeah. I think they're done.
See that last jump?
Where you, are you nosedived?